Why do web browsers use so much RAM, while the average size of an entire web page is 2 MB? From what I understand, one could cache 100 web pages. Obviously, 2 MB is average, but there are much smaller and much larger than that, in about 200 MB. 1 gigabyte could cache literally 500 web pages. How come web browsers use so much RAM then? The answer: to give a slightly different answer, I'll also point out that in addition to the HTML is a recipe fact. Modern browsers have a lot of overhead due to the fact that they essentially function as a sandbox or hypervisor for each individual tab you have open. There is a lot of security that goes into trying to prevent malicious websites from being able to see anything more than their tiny sandbox. A modern browser also shares a lot in common with an OS in terms of how it manages its processes, security, execution, and memory. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.